guys, welcome back to Ray 230 episode. Today we are doing a review on the Macintosh PowerBook G3. Now you might have seen me in my last one, the Toshiba T1910 CS, but yeah, now we're doing a new one. If we get 10 likes between the Toshiba and the Macintosh, we are going to make a tutorial about Minecraft on how to survive your first night in survival mode. Anyway, this is not to talk about Minecraft. This is to talk about the Macintosh. Now, this is let's just do the review now. All right. So first, we're going to look at the ports. So this is the expansion card port here. Then this is the battery. You just open it like this. You see? You open like this. And then it should open. Just a second. Ah, here we go. You have to put it fully. Now this is the battery here. Now this was made in Taiwan. It's 20 years old. It was made in 1999. And yeah, so it's pretty old, I guess. This is an infrared sensor here. Then there's also these ports. So this port is telephone. This is the restart button. This is what was this thing? The monitor port. Then this was the sound output, like the super sound output. Then this this was the SCSI, and then this was the network. This was the audio, and this the speakers, and then this is the power plug here. And then I'm gonna go to the other side. Here's the CD-ROM right here, as you can see. Is the Macintosh PowerBook G3 series 24 by CD-ROM module. Here we go. And alright, so first let's put the power inside. Alright, let's give this baby a run, shall we? So there's a special button here that we use to open it, and then voila, here we go. Now this is very nice. I always love the sound of keyboards because they feel so, like, the sound feels so nice. So yeah, that's why I like keyboards. Anyway, let's power this baby up. Now you have got to love that sound. Like, that sound is like one of the most cooling, soothing sounds, saying, don't worry, it's gonna be okay. And it's just lovely, wonderful. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, it's opening the apple with a tiny bite in it. Apple. Anyway, so, trackpad's a bit okay. Like, it goes a bit crazy. Chess, though, isn't very good at all, because it's very slow, and yeah, it's very slow. It's like so slow. The chess is, anyway. We tried to get Tomb Raider Chronicles on this, but that just yeah. On the Tomb Raider Chronicles on this. But the CD, it needs a CD-ROM to do it, so we're not gonna buy that. We might buy it in the future. This is iTunes here. Okay, that just disappeared. Cool. Anyway, so this is the PowerPC G3. And it runs on 400 megahertz, 512 megabytes of memory, and CPU PowerPC 750. It has one core, and the bus speed is 67 megahertz, And yeah, it's made in Taiwan. Yeah, I said that already. Sorry. So guys, let's open up this. This is the old version. This is like the Apple 9, I think. And it's called Start Classic. Now this does not really work, I don't think. Like when this is fully done, it just, I don't know, just goes like. Yeah, it's starting up. You see this little guy on Finder. Yeah, this new little Finder face. This guy is missing a nose. They're both missing eyebrows too. They're both missing hair. And here should be. Come on. Yeah, it doesn't work for some reason. I don't think. Let's just see. It says it's running. We can open the preferences. Yeah, that's kind of it. Yeah, and then let's just look in Finder. Let's just go into Finder for instance. Now, just to tell you, there's YouTube back then, which is pretty good. If you go into Safari, that was like the browser, like the main search engine of there. Yeah, well, you might not hear it these days, but yeah, Michael Lloyd was the person who had this before. So, yeah, yeah. So here we go. We're in Google. I thought this didn't work, but it actually works now. Oh my gosh, Google works. Okay, Google works. Oh, that was my Google Assistant.
Where would you like to set as work?
No thanks. No. No, Google.
I'm sorry, where's work?
Nowhere. No, stop.
Alright, cancelled.
Thank you. Okay. So, let's just search up something. YouTube! Let's search up YouTube. Now, I did not know this was going to work. Yeah, I knew it. Okay, it's weird. Let me search Google. Google. Yeah. You know what? Where's Google? Google. Sorry. Just gonna go back. Back again. Yeah, Google works. It works. So, YouTube. YouTube work on Google? No, not connected to the internet. But it's cool that Google went up. Wait, does I'm Feeling Lucky work? No. Yeah, all you have is this page. It can't really help you with anything. So, yeah, I wasn't expecting that to work, but it worked. And yeah, pretty cool. Now this is the trash. The system preferences, we're not going to go inside that. It's QuickTime Player, iCal. I want to show you this. This is the dashboard. Now the dashboard is it's a calculator, there's webcam, there's the time. That is the wrong time, I have to say. Wrong time. Yeah, it's totally wrong time. Totally wrong. So there's webcams and then there's calculator. So 116 multiplied by 7 equals. Okay, let's try it in crazy sum. Right, 999999999. 999999999999999. Okay. Multiplied by 9. And then that equals. Okay, this thing can do anything and everything. This is a webcam. of New York. Yeah, I think it's a screenshot or something. This is a radio, I think. I think it works. Yeah, let's get out of this. Yeah. So, yeah, I think that's, let's go into the files. That'll be the last thing today. Alright, so there's, applications. Let's look in applications, shall we? There's no movies or anything. There's chess. I will not do chess because let's do iChat. I don't think it'll work, but let's just try it. See if it will work. Come on, iChat. I want to chat with someone. Welcome to iChat AV. Bad fear advancing again. Okay, let's just click continue. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Let's do Ray 230. Actually, Ray 230. Now, can't I count Dave? Lol. E-pop. Yeah, that's what I do sometimes. Lollipop. Can I try to count? No. 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 Damn it. It had to open Safari. It had to. Continue. Yeah, no, it's not working. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. I hope you've had a great time. This has been very fun, and yeah, we'll see you all later. And remember, 10 likes for Minecraft video. Goodbye. Peace out.